So if I were to go around over here on the grade section right here, then you can see that I got second essay, first essay, and what do you think section right here, where this is ungraded, and you can see that this is out of 50 and this is out of 100 right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to keep all of my assessments out of 100, but they are weighed at different levels right here. Let's say, for example, essay 1 is around 20% and this is around 80% right here. In that case, what you can do is you can actually go around and set category weightage and assign them to your assignments in Google Classroom as well. So to do that, you need to go around and click on the class settings right here. And once you do that, you need to go around and scroll down over here. And you can see that under grading, you can see that grade categories is an option. So if I were to go around and click on add grade category, then this is what you have, as you can see right here. So this is the default points that you can see. So I'm just going to go around and say weight by category right here. So yeah, this is what you have. You can go around onto no overall grade right here, or you can go to total points and assign points right here, or you can set out weight by category right here, and you can also show the overall grade to the student if you want. So I'm just going to go around and say essay right here, and each of the essay is around 20% right here. And that is what you have, and the remaining is 80%, as you can see right here, just like this. And I'm just going to go around and say essay 2, and that is also going to be 20%. And then I'm going to go around and say question, and that is going to be 60% right here, just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see, and I can just go around and hit the save button over here. So once I do this, I'm going to go around over here on the coursework, and you can see that this is what you have. You got the essay right here. If I were to go around right here, this is what I have, but let me just go around and edit out the essay. You can see that the point says 50 right here. Let me just go around and make it 100, and then this is what you have. But what you can do is you can actually choose, let's say, for example, essay right here, and this immediately becomes 20%. So I'm just going to go around and update this out right here, and that is what you have. It gets updated into 20%. If I were to go around and create out an assignment right here, I can go around and select essay 2, and I know that is 20% as well. So I'm just going to go around and say essay 2 right here, just like this, and assign it out right here. And once I do that, that'll be 20% right there. So you can see that I have the second essay right here, and this is the ungraded one right here. So I'm just going to go around and say practice essay over here. Because this is ungraded right here. So I'm just going to go around and choose that out. So once that is done, I'm going to go around over here onto this category, an existing category, and choose, let's say, for example, question right here for this one, and then hit the save button. So once I do that, what happens is that under the grades right here, you'll be able to see this. So you can see that there's essay 2 right here that is not submitted, but here you can see that this is what you have. The overall grade is 75% right here. So now you can see that this is what you have. So if I were to go around and change this, let me just go around and change it around into 0 right here, and this is 85%, 85, as you can see right here. I'm just going to go around and return it out right here, just like this. And what happens is that immediately it turns into 63, as you can see. Let's just go around and turn it into 100 right here, and then return it out over here. So once I do that, you can see that it says it's 75% right here. The overall grade right here is 75%. As you can see right here, depending on the category that we set right here, even if the marks right here is out of 100, as you can see right here. Let me just go around and set it to 0 right here and return this out and click on return. And if I were to go around and set this out into 100 right here, then you can go around and return it and click on return right here. And what happens is that this is 25%. And if I were to go around and turn this right here and add in a 0 just like this, and then return this out over here just like this, let me just go around and return it. And what happens is that you can see it is 20% now, because this is set to 20%. And you can see that this is what you have. So I'm just going to go around over here, and now this is calculated as well. and I'm going to go around this and make it as 100% right here, return, and it should come down to 80 right here, just like this. And this is what you have, as you can see. If I were to go around over here, then I can also set the categories as points right here. So you can see that it is 100, and now I can set the SA2 as 50 right here, and I can go around and set the question as, let's say, for example, 200 right here, just like this. So once I do that, I can go around and hit the save button over here as well. And then what happens is that I can go around and choose around the categories accordingly right here, and now the percentage will be automatically calculated. So now I don't want to set any category for the practice essay, but for SA2 it is SA2 right here, just like this, as you can see right here. And as I were to go around over here, this is SA2, 50 points is actually updated right here, so you can go around and update that out. I'm going to go around onto the question over here, and for question, I'm just going to go around and select out question, and you can see that it is 200 points right here, just like this. So that is how you can go around and work around with it, as you can see right here. And if I were to go around onto SA1, it is still 100, as you can see right here. So once you do that, you can go around onto the grades and you can see the change over here. And now based on the marks itself, the percentage is automatically calculated. And that is how you can set out the category weightage inside of Google Classroom for different assignments that you assign to the students. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.